Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make grilled lemon chicken kebabs. These are super easy, super tasty, and it's one of my favorite things to make in the summer for dinner. To start, you'll need to juice 2 lemons, which will give you about half a cup of lemon juice. Pour that lemon juice into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. I like to do my marinades in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, but you can also use a shallow dish. It's just a matter of personal preference. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then add in 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. You can always make your own lemon pepper with lemon zest and black pepper, but this is one of the few seasoning mixes that I like to buy pre-mixed. Lemon pepper is just delicious. You'll also need a teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that is it for our marinade, so you can kind of squish this down into the bottom, and we'll switch to our chicken. You'll want to cut 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into large chunks that you can then thread onto skewers. I like to keep them bite-sized, and you have to remember that there'll be a little bit of shrinkage as they cook. And then place all of that into the plastic bag. We'll seal this bag up, squeeze out the air here, and then we'll kind of squish this around until all of the chicken pieces get some of that marinade on them. Pop this in the fridge and let it marinate for 30 to 60 minutes. Meanwhile, you'll want to preheat an outdoor grill to smoking hot high heat. I'm going to use metal skewers today. If you use wooden, you'll need to soak them according to the package instructions so they don't light on fire. Then working one at a time, you'll thread your chicken pieces onto your skewer. You can also add in vegetables if you want. I'm just going to go straight up meat today. But some yellow squash would be absolutely lovely with this. How many skewers you get will depend on how much chicken you used, how many pieces you put on each skewer, whether or not you added veggies, so it's really hard to guess, but maybe about 6 is a good average when it's just meat. Grab some tongs and let's take these suckers out to the grill. Grill these on an outdoor grill for about 10 minutes total. Every couple minutes you'll want to get in there and rotate them just a little bit so that they get evenly cooked with those fantastic grill marks. Once the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, you can pull them off the grill and head back on inside. And that's it, you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.